Hey everyone, my name is Morgan and today I'm going to be showing you how to use the translation tool in Snap and Read on the iOS extension, so within Safari. So let's get into it. I'm going to minimize my screen and pull up my Snap and Read in my iPad, and we'll make that bigger for you guys to see. So I am on a Stingray page and I am needing some translation support. So what I'm going to do first things first is go up to that share button and go ahead and open Snap and Read right away to get that toolbar open there. Great. So now I can roll on down here and start to look at some text. So let's say we want to take a look at this first paragraph here. We have seen how to use the speaker tool. We've also seen how to use the text leveler. And next we're going to take a look at translation. So if we long hold on translation, we see that we can choose the language that we are looking to have that translated. So in here, let's say if I don't want Japanese, I have 99 other languages to choose from. So let's say we're going to do, Spanish. So I'm going to select Spanish. And then I could also change my voice as well, which is amazing. Now that I have selected my voice and my language, I'm first going to highlight some text here. And this is exactly what I need translated. And then I'm going to choose the translation icon. So right away, my text has been translated on the fly for me, and I'm still within my same National Geographic environment. Next up, I can go to that read aloud, and I can go ahead and click where I want to start reading.
Las mantarrayas tienen aletas anchas que recorren todo el cuerpo, lo que les da una forma plana y redondeada. Para nadar, algunas mantarrayas.
And then it's going to continue on there. So that is how you use the translation tool in Snap and Read on the iOS extension. If you're needing any more support, please feel free to rewatch this video or check out our Learning Academy on our website at learningtools.johnson.com and check out our support tab under product resources for a wealth of information. Thanks so much for watching.